If you want to know one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2023 and beyond, this training is for you. I'm going to reveal an incredibly simple, beginner-friendly strategy anyone can use to start to make $150 or more a day beginning this week, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. First, I'm going to share a little-known website to find products that are going to launch to the public within the next few days. That way, we can be one of the first people to promote these products, and you'll get cold hard cash sent to your bank account from these product creators whenever someone buys through your personal link, which I'll share exactly how to get access to. Second, I'm gonna share two totally different methods you can use to promote this link that tracks referrals to you, so you can choose which method you prefer to do. Now, both of these methods are free and they take a maximum of 10 minutes to implement. Now, just using one of these methods I'm gonna share, I've been able to generate over $35,400, as you can see right here, and I still have money that's ready to pay. Like I said, I truly believe this is one of the easiest ways to start making money in 2023 and beyond online. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. Also subscribe with the bell icon below so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step training. And without further ado, let's dive into the very first step of today's training. So the very first step is we want to go over to a website called muncheye.com. Now, all the links referenced in this training are going to be in the description below. Muncheye allows us to see all these different products that are going to be launching to the public within the next few days or so. So at the time of recording, you can see that, November 25th, these products are launching within the next few days. Now, it does not matter when you're watching this training, this method will work for years to come. And you can see that on the all launches section, we have IM Wealth Builders, Omni Commissions. Now, what happens is when these products go to launch, tons of affiliate marketers, tons of other people online are going to start promoting these products to their audience. And what happens is, let's say someone starts to promote Omni Commissions when it launches later today at the time of recording. What people will do is they will go to Google and they will start to search the name of the product followed by the word review, because they want to find out, is this product legitimate or is it a scam? So what happens is people are going to start to go through and they're going to start to read some of these articles, okay, like this. And what happens is when people create these articles, all you have to do is give a very simple review, and then you just link to the product. And when someone goes and buys this product, we will start to make money by referring people. So what I'm going to share with you how to do is get your article, and also another method towards the end of the video, if you don't want to create an article, how to get your article ranking on Google so people will see this article within the day or so, buy the product, and you can start to make hundreds of dollars within your very first week. So what we need to do is first go back to Muncheye and just choose any product that's launching soon. So for example, you can see this one right here, Omni Commissions. If I open this up, it's going to share with us much more information. Now you can see right here, the JV page. Okay, we want to open this up. This is a page that shares more information on the product that we're promoting, but it also allows us to sign up as an affiliate. So it says, get our affiliate link here. We just want to get this link because what happens is when someone buys through that link, we get credit and we can earn money. So you want to actually sign up as an affiliate on Warrior Plus. You can see this W and this plus. This means that this product is listed on a website called Warrior Plus. This one right here is JVZoo. Now, sometimes it even has ClickBank, which is another site, okay? But for the sake of this one is on Warrior Plus. So wherever it's listed, we want to actually sign up for a free account, and then we want to go back to this page. So let me go ahead and sign up, and then I'll share with you what it looks like. Okay, so I went ahead and signed up, and now you can see right here, this is my username, GarrettB20, and now my affiliate link has appeared. So what we want to do is copy this affiliate link and put it in a notepad or a document to keep this handy. We're going to be using this in a little bit. Now I'll share with you what it looks like. This is going to lead us to a website that's job it is to sell people who land on this website. So you can see it's a sales page, it's selling people. Now, once someone goes to this page and they click this button and they buy, we're going to be able to make money. Okay, now if we go back to Warrior Plus, we're gonna be able to make money. Now, if we go back to Muncheye, you can see that this product alone pays you 50% commission for $17, okay? So that's about, $8 or so per commission. Now, other products are gonna pay you more, okay? So you can go through and you can actually pick products that are gonna pay you a little bit more. But for the sake of this video, this works incredibly well with this product. So now what we wanna do is, now that we have our affiliate link, we wanna go to Google and we wanna search in the product followed by review. And we wanna open up an article where someone reviewed this product. So again, I will use this one for the sake of this video. Now, I'm gonna share with you how you can literally create a blog post just like this, promoting your link without even having to write the article yourself. So what we can do is go over to a free site called medium.com. Again, the link is in the description. You just create a free account here. And what medium.com is, it allows you to post articles. Okay, so you can see all these people have posted articles. Now, these articles can show up in Google because medium.com has a lot of authority when it comes to ranking articles. So if we post an article on Medium giving a review of this product, it's very likely it will start showing up, specifically too because these products are launching soon. So there's not really any competition to rank your article. So now what we want to do is we want to go to Medium and we want to click here to write an article. And what you want to do is you want to actually put a title. So for the title, we can literally just go to this person's article and I can go ahead and just copy their title just like this. Now for the tell your story part, we want to go back to the article and we can literally just copy, okay, their article like this. Now, we don't want to just copy it exactly and paste it in here because, that's plagiarizing. But what we can do is, first off, paste it in the notepad file because that's going to remove the images. And now we want to do is copy this again, okay, because it's going to be just the text. And we want to go to a site like spinbot.com. What this site does is if you paste in an article like this and I click basic spin, it's going to rewrite this article and put it in its own words. So we can now use this article and put it on our Medium article like this. So we can now copy all of this just like that. Now we have the article that's our own and we want to go back here and now paste that in. Okay, so it's basically rewritten the article. Now I can make this a little bit more formatted like this. Now you can also see that sometimes, my 𝐾𝐫 audit, so I could do my 𝐾𝐫 review. So that's basically it as far as creating the article, and you can do that in a matter of minutes. Now you can also add a photo. If we want to go back and make this a little bit better, I can go to this person's article here, okay, and I can try to right click, save this image and download it. Okay, just like that. I can go back to Medium and I can, literally just right there, click this little thing. I can click this icon and upload the image. Okay, so you can see right here, this is looking pretty darn good. Now the last major step is at the very bottom. We want to give a call to action linking to our affiliate link so people will start to click it and buy. So I can say, I hope you enjoyed this review. All in all, I highly recommend you buy this product. Click here to get access. Okay, so we're basically recommending the product. We're going to highlight this, click this little paper clip, go back to our notepad file, and then what we want to do is copy our affiliate link right there, and then again, put it in right there, and now it's linkable. You can just click publish here, publish now, and now this blog will be posted. Now, once it's posted, again, what will happen is this article will start ranking inside of Google, and when someone comes across the article, they open it up, they will see our article right here, they'll read over it, they'll get value, they'll come to the bottom, they'll click there, and it will get taken to our affiliate link, and when they buy, we will start to make money on autopilot because tons of people are going to be going on here while we're sleeping. Now, I want to share one more method you can use to quickly and easily promote these products that are launching within the next few days so you can make hundreds of dollars even as soon as this week. Now, when these products start getting promoted by other people, people are going to go to Google to look at reviews, but they're also going to go to YouTube. And I typed this in and you can see that 7 minutes ago, this guy right here has already created a review an hour ago because these products are going to be launching today. Okay, this specific product here is launching today. So these people are posting reviews. And what happens is, in this example, this person just created a very simple review. I mean, you can literally see that all they're doing is talking, okay, over the sales page. Okay, so he just has a webcam here and he's literally just going through and talking about what's on the sales page. And then what he did was he just put his affiliate link under the video. So all you have to do is you can use a simple screen capture software like this one that's free. You can click start recording, and all you have to do is just literally go to the sales page and you just start to explain the sales page. Read over it, tell people the benefits of this product, and then all you have to do is at the end of your video, tell people if they want to get access to the product, click the link under the video. And then all you have to do is take your affiliate link right here and put that underneath your video. And you will start to get traffic, start to get views, start to get clicks on autopilot. Now you can see right here, as I said in the beginning of the video, I've made thousands of dollars using some of these methods. You can see Dollar Bright reviews, Amway review. I literally have done this countless times. I've done a review of a product and then I put the link in the description. You can see right there, okay? And I went through and I literally just am on the sales page talking about the sales page, okay? So I practice what I preach. I use this method. It works incredibly well. As you can see the results right here, and I really think you're gonna be blown away by how quickly and easily you start to make money. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.